Hello YouTube, wanted to show you an idea today to create a way to solve the problem of all the cords and chargers that are always laying on my counter making a mess. And the idea here is to take a wooden bread box and attach a outlet strip inside and just leave enough of a hole on the side for the wire to run out and run to the outlet. But then on the inside, the cords and chargers are more organized, and you got places to store headphones or iPods and place to charge your phone. In the meantime, if you wanted to keep the counter clean, and then also if you have these chargers that have the USB chargers that have the port for USB, you could charge an iPod or a phone charger that's USB. But I'll take this apart to show you what's in there. Okay, on the inside, just need a wooden bread box, ideally, and on the back here I have the outlet strip. They usually come with mounting holes, so you have 4 holes in the back of the outlet strip. The screw slides across, so you just mount 4 screws sticking out onto the back of the bread box in the right spot. And then the hole, you want the hole large enough against the back wall where the plug, the large part of the plug, is going to go through that hole. And then a small spot on the side where the plug is going to be sticking out, visible from the outside. The large hole in the back gets covered up against the wall, it doesn't matter. And then the outlet strip is just mounted up against the back and plugged in, and you're set. And as a reminder, this whole project could be a fire hazard for all I know, so build at your own risk, and just be sure you have quality outlet strip in there, and be careful the way that you connect and run the wire. Good luck.